Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today is Sunday and it's my green day. I eat green leafy vegetables and other stuff that does not undergo cooking or heat. So I have here almonds, raw like sigarilyas, and then squash and kamote tops, and then glutinate, and then the cell. Yeah, and I have prepared here a tomato sauce for my dip. So let's eat this. So squash muna, and I have dip it sa tomato sauce. It tastes good. So it's raw. So let me get it. I only have few here because it's not good as well na daghan mo hang kanin. So you should eat at least yung kaya lang mo. One of the principles sa Ikigai, you have to eat less. Less. Not enough full stomach. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today is Sunday and it's my green day. I eat green leafy vegetables and other stuff that does not undergo cooking or heat. So I have here almonds, raw like sigarilyas, and then squash and kamote tops, and then glutinate, and then the cell. Yeah, and I have prepared here a tomato sauce for my dip. So let's eat this. So squash muna, and I have to dip it sa tomato sauce. It tastes good. So it's raw. So let me get it. I only have few here because it's not good as well na daghan mo hang kanin. So you should eat at least yung kaya lang mo. One of the principles sa Ikigai, you have to eat less. Less. Not enough full stomach. So, gamay-gamay na lang guys. I hope I can see this cheese. Because dapat when we eat, di ko na to dali-dali. We need to chew it properly para ang digestion sa nutrients ay matalon. Okay? It's not good na yung dali-dali o kaon, usap, tulon dahil inyong pagkaon. You have to enjoy its taste. Charot. By the way, ang lasa sa fruit salad kaya medyo sour siya, and nice siya i-combine sa kamote tops. Then i-dip mo siya sauce that you made. Okay na dayon. If you have nuts as well, it's good. It's a good combination too. So I have here almonds. And then we have the turnip. So it's really good to have a healthy lifestyle. Prevention is better than cure. So, while young, nang it possible, we need to make ourselves na healthy. Dili kay dito na ka mag-healthy lifestyle pag magsakit na ka when you get old. No. So, the right time is now. We have to invest for it. Yeah. And I have more. Yun na lang left. So, if you guys wanted to change your lifestyle, just tell me because I can recommend it to someone. They are really practicing healthy lifestyle, especially preparation sa food, healthy preparation of it, and they even have a farm. So, we have also Apple Center for those interested people na to change their lifestyle. I can recommend you to them. So, just give me a bit, message me, then I will respond to you. It's really good. Yeah, you will spare a day in a week to have a raw diet because it's for your own sake. Pang detox kasi siya. Throughout the week, we eat a lot of foods, like different kinds of foods, processed, like processed. And it's really nice na at least in a week, you have a day for raw foods. No, for the cleansing sa ato ang lawas. Yeah. So, let's do this. I'm almost done. Look. And if you left, so I took out the stalks of the kamote cups because it's a bit hard. I prefer to do that. A little more. It's done. Sorry. Yummy. The sigarilyas, actually, when you eat sigarilyas, it's better nga yung young pa siya. Kasi the taste of it, medyo mas malilang na. Unlike kung ano, pag medyo old na siya, gulang, medyo mas mapait. Or langto. Tapos sibuano. Yeah. Mas crunchy po siya pag young pa. Ang sigarilyas. So, you should try. Just try. Wala'y mawala sa inyo. You will not be poisoned anyway. This one tastes better. One more. Okay guys, daghan dahil makuha nga bata ni sigarilyas. You have to check out in Google. I can not name it all, but when I search it, it's really good in your metabolism, anti-cancer siya. So, yeah, it's good. I think this one is good for your bones as well because the shape of the food looks like, your bones, your spine. Mana lang. Mana lang. Kami dulu. But I found that I have almonds because it can balance the taste of the raw foods that I ate aside from the dip that I prepared. So I don't want that. I just plucked some of the petals of the rosa flower. I'm not sure if I can eat the entire flower. Yeah, just a little of it. And I'm done. Except of this top. Yeah? Mm, it's actually watering in the mouth. Next time I will eat a raw ampalaya. We'll see if I can make it. And just watch it. These almonds really helped me to finish my food. What a morning. Okay, so we just finished the mukbang of the raw foods, and I hope it encouraged you to eat as well. Just try, and I hope that you will watch my video again in the future. And by the way, those fish behind me, don't be distracted. We don't eat those fish. We just pet it. So that's it. If you want to eat with me as well, just key at me and we can talk about it in collab in the future. So thank you again. See ya.